Hello everyone, it is your boy Granddad Flintstone. We
Wait,
are
are you
playing
recording?
Mega Man Mario Maker.
Are you recording?
Let's go. Well, that was autistic. Anyways, yeah, we're playing Mario Maker, but Mega Man. Without further ado, so Sam,
Hmm?
are you ever considering getting this game?
What game?
Mega Maker has a free download. It's basically Mario Maker, but Mega Man, and nothing like Mario Maker.
Good for that game.
Traps are Homo sapien. They were made by the Homo sapiens in 2017.
Why do I have a... Oh god, the greatest Roblox live stream. I think... Anime Trash versus Broken Window. You didn't even spell my name right.
Well, I'll retype it.
It's capital
afterwards.
Q and the quick, and then the space between quick and shot.
Alright then, Mr. Echidna. Without further ado, oh yes. Let's get into Sonic.exe. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Yay. I keep my ores in my chest. Hey, I give her diamonds, I mine. Yeah. It's a very good game, actually. Love it. Mega Maker, best game. Top tier waifu. Mega Man 6. Make this that color. Don't tell me that's input lag.
Read the comment I just put on your video.
I will once I get further echidna.
It's so great. Sonic Mania. How to get all Chaos Emeralds plus locations in.
Oh god.
What the fuck? It's not that hard. You don't need a tutorial to tell us how to get the fucking Chaos Emeralds. Not everyone is acoustic.
No, I mean, that was scary, what you just said.
What?
Sonic Mania, how to get all the Chaos.
Plus locations.
That's not.
That's what
okay.
no, there's a video called that. I don't
I'll
get
be
it.
back. I'm gonna finish my level and show you.
Okay.
Alright, we're back. And here's what I got for my level so far.
Oh no.
Try and use original stuff.
Oh no.
Try and add sections.
Oh no.
This is a basic tutorial on how to make good levels
Oh no.
by someone who makes a bad level.
Oh no. Oh no. Also, when do you think we're going to VR again?
Oh yeah, me and my cousin are going to VR at some point in time in our life. I don't know.
Yeah, we're gonna go play Gorn, and then
That game is so... Gorn is actually so good. I don't care. I will defend this till the day I die.
hopefully I'll be able to play H3 VR.
All you gotta do is punch people in the face all day. It's fun.
It actually is very fun.
It's awesome.
It's oh no. Hey, yo, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go put that picture of Ugandan Knuckles up on my wall that I kept saying I was going to.
Alright.
I printed off a picture of Ugandan Knuckles, and I have to tape it to my. Why not?
And that's what I got so far. And that's okay level design. But you gotta make it a longer level, better level, something better than me. Alright guys, this is something like you should do. Remember, always put a boss at the end. Well, most of the time. If you want real difficulty, there should be a boss. or some challenge at the end to get to beat it. It's a short level, but just like a demonstration, like a tutorial. So here's what you ought to do. And I know a lot of people like to make flying levels, at least with this game, because you can make it unlimited if you make it the first thing. So oof. Make sure it has difficulty and a whole lot of spikes. I don't mean difficulty spikes, I just mean like spikes. Instant killing spikes. Hi there, Sam.
Hmm?
Hi there. I'm just teaching the children how to make good level design.
Oh, wait, what? Anyway, cool, good for you. Still haven't read my comment, huh?
Don't mispress the wrong button. Suffering incurs.
My mom wants me again, I'll be back.
I'm a family-friendly channel, you know what I'm saying? The adpocalypse, if you know what I'm saying. It's probably not very good level design, but like this, you should have a boss at the end. Then you should have at least some revival stuff to help to give them a chance of actually winning. A good level poses a challenge. A level like mine is just bad. And you see, that's how you make a level. Don't take anything I say seriously, because I'm a very bad level designer. And I never made anything good in my life. In fact, I'm a failure to everyone. In fact, I'm living on the street right now in a box. Alright, that'll be the end of my tutorial. Say goodbye to the people, Sam.
Sonus.
Alright.
Sonus, whoa,
Have a nice
Jesus,
day, everyone. Goodbye.
My chair almost broke again.